Hello friends, welcome back to all about structural analysis and design. So this video is specifically for the students who are in the confusion what to do after a diploma in civil engineering or BE in civil engineering. So most of the subscribers and my students requested to make a video. So what are the job opportunities, especially government job opportunities after completing diploma and BE. So I requested my friend Vinay Lahse sir, who is into this coaching of competitive examinations. So I requested him to make a video for the guidance what to do after diploma and BE. So for the next 15 to 20 minutes you will be listening to Vinay sir. So if you are coming for the first time onto this channel, you can just subscribe it and press the bell icon for the latest notifications of my videos in civil and structural engineering.
Hello friends, my name is Vinay Lahse. I am from Karnataka Coaching Center. So today, as requested by Abhijit sir, is my friend, to guide you about the government examinations for civil engineering students. So let me give my introduction first. I am from this Karnataka Coaching Center. Here we guide the students for central government as well as the state government examinations. In the central, we teach the students for the banking, SSC, railways and other major examinations. While in the state, we offer coachings for the students like for KPSC exams as well as the police, PWD, these type of examinations. So today's topic is jobs for civil engineering students. Okay, so here in this video, I'll be dividing this in two categories. That is job for civil diploma students. That is diploma civil after 10th who takes diploma in the civil engineering. For them, which type of government jobs are there? And after this, I will go for B and B.Tech students. Jobs for civil engineering, B and B.Tech. So let me start with civil engineering diploma. Okay, diploma in civil engineering. What are the jobs available for these students? Okay, before this, there are different type of engineering streams. That is mechanical, electrical, civil, computer science and electronics and communication. In this, if you see, there are the civil engineering sector, it offers a lot of government jobs compared to all other streams. Okay, if you see in the SSC JE examination, maximum number of posts are offered to the civil engineering students. Okay, so I will take this step by step. Okay, I will just deal with the maximum number of posts which are available for that means civil engineering students. Okay, the first examination I'll be talking about is SSC JE, that is Staff Selection Commission Junior Engineer Examination. Okay, SSC is a body, Staff Selection Commission, like UPSC is a body. Similar to this, SSC is a body. It conducts examinations for different sectors, different posts like JE, then officer category, clerical and all. Okay, this examination is conducted each and every year. Now in this video, only about civil engineering I'll be speaking. Okay, so you may be thinking which type of posts are offered in this SSC Junior Engineer examinations. So every year this examination is conducted. Once you clear this SSC JE examination, okay, so you will be given the post like Central Water Commission. In the Central Water Commission, JE post, Central Public Work Department, CPWD. Okay, in this also junior engineer post, Military Engineering Services, then Farakka Barrage Project, Border Road Organization, Central Power and Water Research Station, then National Technical Research Organization, NTRO. These are some of the posts, different fields where civil engineering students are placed after clearing their examination. Okay, you will be like given when you are filling the form, the preference will be asked. Suppose the student who are interested in military engineering services, okay, you are interested in joining military as an engineer, okay, then you can give this post as preference, that I want first post, that is military engineering services. Then some of the students, they may be interested in Central Water Commission. Okay, this usually this type of jobs everywhere it is present, so they can give this preference. So according to their marks, these type of different posts will be offered. The student who will be getting the highest mark, he will be offered his preference, whatever he has preferred. Okay, so what is the salary of this type of post? Okay, these are 7 to 8 posts I told. After civil engineering, civil diploma, you will be getting what is the salary offered. So these posts offered a maximum salary in the government sector, that is rupees 35,000 to 38,000 starting salary. Okay, net salary offered is around 38,000, that is in the start. Okay, And what is the age limit for this? Age limit is 30 to 32 years. 30 years to 32, maximum 32 years. Some of the posts will be for 30 years, and some of the 2-3 posts they offer for 30 to even up till 32 years you can apply. Okay, this is for general merit. Other castes and all, they have some relaxation, that is +3 and +5 years. What is the qualification for this post? As I listed here, there are 7 to 8 posts under this SSC JE for civil engineering students. So what is the qualification? Minimum you should have at least, that is diploma in civil engineering. Okay, diploma in civil engineering you should have. And some students may be asking, is there any percentage criteria? No. In this government examination, there is no percentage criteria. Okay, just passing is required. Some student may also be asking the question, sir, what if I had a backlog in some of the semester? Even that is no worry. Here they just see whether the student has cleared his diploma or not, then you can apply. The students who are thinking, I have not done diploma, but I have done PUC plus engineering. Yes, even PUC plus civil engineering students, they can apply for this post. But minimum qualification is diploma students, they can apply. Okay. So every year this examination is conducted in the around the month of December and January. And notification will be like something out in the month of August. So as you can see in the SSC, that is calendar, in this August 2020, this notification is going to come. Okay, so when this notification comes, just go through that and just look at this notification and apply that form. So later on, whenever the examination body, this SSC conducts this examination, usually every year it conducts around December and January, so you can write that examination. And you may be now thinking, what is the selection process here? So once you apply for this, okay, application is around 100 rupees, so you can apply that. Once you apply for that, there are 2 stages in this examination. Stage number 1 is basically, that is objective of 200 marks. Okay, totally 200 mark objective will be there. That is, and subjects are general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness and engineering of civil. Okay, civil engineering, these topics will be there. So you may be asking, what is this general intelligence and reasoning? Simple basic question which tests your thinking ability, like blood relations, then directions, then something, what will be the next image after this. Just you have to logically think that, okay, some figures will be given, different type of figures. You have to guess which figure will come next. Some numbers will be given, okay, squares of a number like 4, then something, this thing, 4, then 25, then 36, which will be the next number. Simple type of this type of questions will be asked. So that is asked in this general intelligence and reasoning. General awareness, it actually focuses on sports and something national issues which are going on, then capitals, currencies, rivers, these type of things. What you have to do for general awareness, keep on going through the newspapers, then again some PDFs will be, monthly GK PDF will be available, read those things, and you will obviously definitely build up your general awareness very strong. And then finally there is something called as technical exam in the paper number 1 itself, that is something civil engineering. Okay, for civil engineering this is also objective. You have to go through any book of civil engineering. For example, R.S. Kurmi is there, then again something like Gupta and Gupta, even this book you can refer. Okay. And after clearing this examination, paper number 1, result will be out, and once you are selected, you'll be like you'll be going to the next stage, that is paper number 2. Okay, in the paper number 2 there is written examination of 300 marks. The paper number 1 was objective, where options will be given, just you have to tick it. Nowadays online examination is conducted, everything will be on the computer screen, there itself you have to choose the options. Now coming to this paper 2, it is written examination. It is not this objective, it is written examination. How you write the examination in your diploma or else engineering, written question will be given. You have to write your answers in 3, 4 sentences, 5 sentences. Similar to this written examination is there of 300 marks. Now you may be asking, what type of questions will be asked? Basically this is junior engineering examination, so level will be of diploma. Okay, up till 1st, 2nd and 3rd, whatever you have learnt in your diploma, that thing if you make it very strong, that those concepts if you make it very strong, just you have to give those answers and write it. Okay, and that will give you around, the total marks is 300 marks. You have to score very good in order to get this post. Okay, once this you clear paper number 1, you go to the paper 2, and once you clear this paper 2, directly they will be calling you for the verification processes and all. There is no interview in this post. That is a good thing. Okay, some students may be worried कि my English is not strong, so and so. They have some students, they have fear, or else my communication is not that good. So for those students, here it is no interview job. Okay, once you clear paper 1 and paper 2, directly you have to go for your document verification, and directly within 1 year this selection will take place. Now who can apply? As I said, diploma civil students, they can apply. Those who don't have diploma, but at least they should have engineering, BE engineering they should have, even they can apply. Okay, so every year this examination is taking place. So this was about SSC Junior Engineer examination. Now coming to the next examination, which offers a lot of jobs for the diploma civil students, that is RRB JE examination. What is this RRB? RRB is a body that is Railway Recruitment Board. Okay, this body also conducts examinations, okay, time to time for recruiting for the post of junior engineer. Previously in the railways there was a post called as SSC Senior Section Engineer, but now recently from some years that post is directly not offered directly, but students have to go through this junior engineer. After some years they can be promoted to SSC by internal examinations. Okay, so what are the posts which are for civil engineering in railways? That is junior engineer obviously, and there is again one more, that is depot material superintendent. Okay, as a supervisor in the depot and all, whatever is there, you will be given the work. And salary offered here is also fantastic, around 48,000 to 50,000. That is the net salary in the starting stage. Okay, you will be given this salary. Age limit is again good, that is 18 to 33 years. Students till 33 years they can apply. Okay, qualification as I told, minimum diploma. Okay, you should have diploma in civil engineering, that is minimum qualification. Okay, and those students, anyone who has engineering, even they can apply for this examination. Process is here paper number 1 and paper number 2, 2 stages examination is there. Paper number 1 comprises of 100 marks objective, that is syllabus is mathematics. Now mathematics is not something of POC or integration differentiation. Here mathematics is asked about aptitude. Aptitude means topics, okay, will be there like speed, time and distance, profit and loss, then again percentage, ratio and proportions, these type of topics, arithmetic topics, and some parts of trigonometry, little bit, some not more. Okay, and some of the geometry questions, just and mensuration questions will be asked. Okay, maximum things asked will be from arithmetic, and that is very interesting. You can easily study while doing your diploma. And second is general intelligence and reasoning, as I already told. This is again blood relations, ages, blood relation will be there, then directions will be there. These type of questions will be asked. Mathematics is 30 marks, general intelligence is 25 marks, then general awareness, that is current affairs and all, that is of 15 marks. General science is for 30 marks. These are the 4 things asked in this 100 marks objective paper number 1. Once you clear this examination, like result will be out, then you will be given some time, and after some month paper number 2 will be conducted. In the paper number 2, it is of 150 marks. So what is the syllabus here? Okay, the pattern: general awareness 15 marks, then physics and chemistry for 15 marks, basic computer application will be asked for 10 marks, then basic environment and pollution control questions for 10 marks, and finally for 100 marks there is civil technical examination, civil engineering technical examinations. Here again the syllabus will be up to your diploma level. Okay, whatever you study in the diploma, those type of questions here it will be asked, that too objective. There is no written paper in the railway exams, directly objective will be there, so you have to choose directly online exam, directly choose the options and take it. Paper number 2 altogether is 150 marks. Okay, so books you have to refer is R.S. Khurmi, Gupta and Gupta for technical. Now you may be asking which type of books should be referred for this quant aptitude, reasoning and general awareness. Quant aptitude, as I told, it comes in the paper number 1. Here you can refer any book whichever you like. That some source I will give, like R.S. Agarwal you can use, then Arihant publication also is there, that also you can use. Then for this thing, okay, reasoning, intelligence and reasoning, even you will get the books from Arihant, you can purchase those things. Then for general awareness, go with the newspapers, some applications will be there, watch the television news every day, that will give you this general awareness. So definitely you will be clearing the examinations. Now students do the mistake, after diploma, after completing their diploma, they think on this examination. But the thing is, just it is very much important, while doing your diploma, when you are in the first or second year, start your preparation. Okay, once you start your preparation, at least in the second year 1 year entirely you will go through that process. Whatever you are learning in the diploma, that same thing you have to prepare for your this examinations. Then third year also you apply. Okay, read this. So SSC JE examination is something, first paper I told, first examination, SSC Junior Engineer. In the final year also you can apply. For example, you are in the second last sem, okay, you can apply that examination, and once till you complete your diploma engineering, you will be like getting the job, because December month this examination will be conducted. In some 2-3 months again paper number 2 will be out. Okay, you can write that thing, and after completing, you will obviously diploma students, they complete their education by June and all. So after June, directly final merit list will be given. So on that, after completing diploma, you will be getting the jobs. Okay, so that is good thing. While in the railway examination, you should have completed totally your this thing, diploma. After that, you can apply for this. So these are the jobs, some of the jobs which gives examinations, which offers examinations for civil engineering students. There is one more job, that is non-technical part, which even diploma students can apply. That is SSC CHSL, Combined Higher Secondary Level Examination. SSC also conducts an exam every year, and the posts every year, vacancies every year will be around 8,000 to 10,000 vacancies every year will be there. So even the students who have completed this thing, diploma, can apply for the examination called as SSC CHSL examinations. So every year even this examination will be there. So what is the syllabus for this? Syllabus is same, that is quant aptitude, mathematics as I told, then reasoning, then there is something English will be there, and one more GK. So all this paper, you have to, only one paper will be there, so you have to clear this examination. After clearing this examination of 200 marks, okay, GK 50, then maths 50, the reasoning 50, and your English 50 marks. After clearing this examination in SSC CHSL, paper number 2 is your letter and essay writing. Okay, once you write that, clear that, even you will be given different type of government jobs under SSC CHSL. Okay, here you will be getting clerical type of post under this SSC CHSL. So now I will be talking about what are the jobs after B and B.Tech. Okay, even B and B.Tech students, they can apply for SSC JE examination and Railway JE examinations, as well as even SSC CHSL examinations. So, but after B, some of the special examinations are offered only for the B students. Okay, once you complete civil engineering B or B.Tech, so different examinations will be there. Okay, I'll be mentioning some of the examinations. Okay, one major examinations is conducted by UPSC, that is IES examinations. Okay, engineering service examination. So here you will be given gazetted posts. Okay, gazetted officer post under group A. Okay, here after clearing this examinations, you will be given post in officer category post in railways, telecom, border roads, CPWD, CWC, CPES, NHAI, MES, ordnance factories, etc. As I told previously, military engineering services, here JE or job is offered after diploma. Okay, now if you want something gazetted officer group A level post in the military engineering services, you can, if you want as an officer, you can go through this IES examinations. Okay, similarly, these things, NHAI, National Highway Authority of India, these type of gazetted posts are offered after these examinations. So here minimum you should have age limit. What is the age limit for this? Age limit is 21 to 30. Eligibility is minimum you should have B or B.Tech. Even higher M.Tech students, they can also apply, but minimum you should have B or B.Tech. There is no percentage criteria, just you need to have a passed. Okay, B or B.Tech you should have completed. So here the paper is something divided in prelims, mains and interview. Previously those examinations which I told for diploma students or higher, there were no interview in that. Okay, but in this examination finally there will be an interview since it is a gazetted post group A level. So prelim examination, it is of around something like 2 hours. General studies will be there in the prelim examination, 2 hours of 200 marks. After that engineering aptitude is also there. And finally there is civil engineering questions are asked. Civil engineering questions for 3 hours, 300 marks, this examination will be there. Once you clear the prelims examination, you will be going to the mains examination. In the mains examination, 300 marks and 300 marks. Okay, it is divided. The topic is same like civil engineering, whatever you have studied in till your engineering, that type of questions will be asked in the mains examinations. And finally, there will be interview of 200 marks. So altogether paper number 1 200 plus 300, that is 500 marks of paper number 1. Paper number 2 is total 600 marks and interview is of 200 marks. Okay, so even you can think this examination after your engineering. Okay. Then there are something called as government public sector undertaking, PSUs. Okay, in the PSUs, usually PSUs, what are these PSUs? For example, you have आपने ये सुना होगा HAL, हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिकल लिमिटेड. Okay, these are the PSUs. BHEL, ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Company. Okay, these are the government undertaking PSUs. Here the salary wise, even these jobs here is very good. So you can also think for these examinations. So here these some of the PSUs I will just tell you. Okay, after your engineering you can apply for these examinations and you can go in these companies like BHEL, BHEL, ONGC. Okay, oil and natural gas, then NTPC is there, National Thermal Power, then SAIL, IOCL, then ISRO, then HAL, GAIL, DRDO, DMRC, BPCL, then BAIL, BARC, BSNL, then CIL, Coal India Limited, okay, and Vizag Steels. Like this, many government PSUs will be there, so you can think for these companies. But the thing is, some of these companies, most of these companies usually, they recruit the students from gate scoring. So after your engineering, you should write that gate examinations. So depending on your gate marks, so you will be directly given the this thing entry in these companies. So here these companies which take the students, okay, most of these companies they take the students by looking at their gate scores. So next is, what are the different jobs for civil engineering students in the state? Okay, so state government also offers jobs for the civil students, whether they are like diploma students as well as BE or B.Tech students. So I'll just list some of the state government jobs which are offered to the civil engineering students. So some of these are KPSC Junior Engineer, then PWD, that is Public Work Department. Here also junior engineers and again higher engineers post will be offered. Then Water and Irrigation Department, then junior engineer in municipalities, then junior engineer is under panchayat, then water and irrigation department, then electricity and utility department. Here also you will be offered JE post. Okay, so students who have completed diploma in civil engineering, they are given the chance of junior engineer. Okay, so all these different departments I told, KPSC, PWD, water and irrigation department, then municipalities, panchayat, water irrigation. So here, if you want the post of junior engineer, so you should have compulsory diploma engineering. Okay, you should have compulsory civil engineering this diploma. So you have to do that. And if you want the higher post, okay, like after JE there is something AE post. If you want that AE post, then for that you should have BE or B.Tech. Okay. So I was talking about the junior engineer. So junior engineer, some of the students of BE and B.Tech will be thinking, are we eligible for that JE post? See, for JE post compulsory, there is under the state government, there is compulsory criteria that you should have compulsory diploma in civil engineering. So the students who are going after PUC, they are doing this engineering, they will be given post, but only AE post. So JE post, junior engineer post, you should have compulsory diploma. So maximum number of vacancies they come in JE exam. So the students who have done civil diploma, they have a very good actually vacancies. So after this, even the state government, in the state government we have Bangalore Metro, BMRC. Okay, you can also apply for these examinations. So like this, many different again examinations are there. So with these things, I hope you all just go through these jobs, okay? Study sincerely and clear your examinations. Thank you very much.